Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to attach the new sling arm and wrist rest for the Weebill 3 gimbal, along with some cool helpful tips to help you get some more stable shots. Let's get started. ZHIYUN's new sling arm design gives the gimbal operator full capability of operating this gimbal using just one hand. The new sling arm improves the center of gravity for this gimbal, making it a breeze to shoot in low angles. It's also adjustable. The new ergonomic wrist rest will improve your stability, especially when you shoot in low angles while panning and tilting. This new design for the Weebill 3 is definitely a game changer, especially for demanding shots requiring the most difficult to shoot angles. Now let me show you how to install these attachments to your gimbal. Starting with the wrist rest. Use the mini rosette mount located on the bottom of the gimbal to attach this wrist rest. Now let's attach the sling arm. Use the mini rosette mount on the opposite side of the wrist rest and tighten up the sling arm nice and tight.
Alright, so one of the best things about this new sling arm is that in one motion, I can do this kind of shot. So I'm gonna go all the way down to low angle. And let's say if there's a subject coming up and I need the camera to start going up, one motion. One motion, that's all it takes. Now, one of my most favorite ways to get smooth low angle shots is to actually only use a couple of fingers on the sling arm. There's a little soft foam grip on the top of the handle here, and because this top handle or sling arm is so well balanced, you only need a few fingers, and the less contact you make with the gimbal, the better and smoother shots you are going to get, guaranteed. And if you hold it more firm with all of your, grip strength and all of your fingers, you're gonna get tired more quickly and you're gonna see much more up and down in your shots. So try to keep it as smooth as possible with only using a couple of fingers. But of course, you want to be very careful that it doesn't slip out of your grip. Now let's say you only want to focus on the main handle of the gimbal. With the wrist rest, it makes it so easy because it takes off a lot of that pressure from your forearm. Check it out. That's all I need to do. And I'm barely using any grip strength to get any of these shots with just the standard handle on the gimbal. It's actually really easy, or at least a lot easier than it used to be on a traditional gimbal like this. So there's multiple ways on how you can hold the gimbal. Traditionally, one hand goes up top, one hand on the bottom. Now we have so many more options. So traditional, another way, using the sling arm. Another way, just using the wrist rest, and single-handed, because we get that extra layer of support. Or, of course, for those low-angle shots, using the new sling arm. And if you really want to get some low angle shots, you can go into POV mode, flip the gimbal upside down, and just hold it from the tripod on its own.
And that's it for this one. Make sure you check out the other videos in this training series for the Weebill 3 gimbal. I'll see you there.